New partner of the Move of the Week time is Grace, my dance daughter. We're going to show you, it's called right side roll-off. It's a very cool, smooth, pretty move. You can use socially, competitively, whatever you want. First we're going to do it. Shall I do it? Kick push. Very good. 5 and 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 9 and 10. It's a very smooth, not too complex. Not every move has to be too complex. If you lead it well, she likes it. Alright, so what it starts out as is a right side pass with an underarm turn. We're not going to break that down, but this is the basic of this, raising her right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Just bring her by your right side. She does a half turn, ends up on the other side of the track. Okay? That's one of the basics in this style of dance. But it changes. So after 4, so push, 2, 3, 4. You don't need her left hand for this. Walk through 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now we're going to stop there. Grace is on her right. I'm on my left. I'm going to take my left hand. I'm going to flip it so where I have my palm facing the ceiling, because I'm going to do a triple step to my right. Grace isn't going to feel a turn or a prep or anything. She's going to do a triple step in place. So I'm going to go triple step. And you can see what I do with my other hand. That's why we'll do this direction. So ladies are going to do triple step in place, waiting for the next movement. But 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. I did that the wrong way, so let's go this way. I did that wrong. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Turn my right, triple step. I take my right hand underneath her right arm, her shoulder blade. She needs to feel that connection. So leaders, you're still on the track, you're still in her way. You got to get that arm over to the connection side. Let's go this way again. Turn to the right at the end. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And this left arm, keep it up high on my shoulder. Don't need it anymore. So when she feels this connection, guys are going to turn it to her left. Triple, give her a little push at the end. Triple, or she'll be too close to you when you're done. So it's a little right side roll off with a nice ending. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Keep my hand low. Middle of her back, just to make sure she feels a turn and a quarter. So let's go this way, front to back, because it does look better in the direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Turn. Okay? Keep that arm low. Little turn at the end. You're done. Last time, I promise. Right side roll off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Triple left. Give it a little push at the end, just so it makes it look pretty smooth. You can keep her in closed position if you want. Your call. Thanks, Miss Grace.
Thank you.
Miss Grace goes to Cancun Cantina. I'm going to put the link to that place down below so you can check her out. She doesn't work there, she just dances there. Just keeps that clear. So anyway, give us a thumbs up, give us a like, subscribe, free. Until next time, have a great week. Miss Grace.
Keep dancing. See you next week.
Bye.